Do you love me? Do you love me? Really love me? I want you to. Do you love me? I need you to. Do you love me? And you know, do you love me? I just gotta know. Really love me? So come on. Do you love me? Hey everybody. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this here is Natasha BOOZHOO. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day, DABAADENDIZIWIN. Oh, DABAADENDIZIWIN, humility. And you know, in the Anishinaabe way, it is not our way to like go around bragging and saying, hey, you know what? Oh, I'm so big. I'm so great. No, that's not our way. We must practice DABAADENDIZIWIN. You know, if somebody comes up and he says, hey, you know what? You're a really good singer. You don't say, oh, yeah, I know. Oh, you should hear me sing David Bowie. No, you don't say that. You say, oh, thank you. You know, that's nothing. I just sing for fun or something like that. Mm-hmm. But also, you know, it's not our way to not try. You know, they say if the Creator, if Gitche Manadu gives you a gift, you know, if you're a good drawer or you're like a good singer or something, you need to do that in a good way. Because they say if you don't use your gifts, the Creator will take them away. Oh, what? Yeah. So something to think about. Yeah. Anyway, DABAADENDIZIWIN, humility. And this has been the Ojibwe word of the day. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. Yeah. Well, there you have it. You have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And with that, I'm going to say, I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa. Gigawaba min, minawa. How was that? Oh, you did it just good. All right, I'm just going to try one more thing. I really like our theme song. You really like my limousine. You like the way the wheels roll. You like my 7-inch leather heels and going to all of the shows. But now, do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? Really